lineage of Seth. Come on, are you listening to me? Yes, we are the children of Abraham. We are the people of faith. That's why prayer is our priority. Word study is our priority. We call on the name of the Lord. Because every time I call on your name, you will hear, you will answer. There is power in the name of the Lord. Every time I call, every time I call on your name, you will hear, you will answer. There is power in the name of the Lord. Do we have the generation of Seth? Every time I call, every time, oh, on your name, you will hear, you will answer. One more time, every time I call, every time I call, Lord, your name, you will hear, you will answer. There is power in the name of the Lord. Lift your hands and say, call on his name. We call on your name. 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 Call on the name. Call on your name. Call on your name. We call on your name. When we call, you will answer. One more time. Call on the name. Call on the name. Every time I call. Every time I call. Kai. Daddy will hear you. Daddy will answer you. There is power in the name of the Lord. Damili, tell them about it. Yeah. Just worship him right now. Lembras kaifeleti fehetia. One more time. Rise to your feet, everybody. One more time. We call on the name. Call on your name. Call on the name. Call on your name. Yeah. Call on the name, on the name, on the name. Yeah. Call on your name. Every time I call, without the music on. Let me hear your shaker. You will hear, you will answer. There is power in the name of the Lord. Hallelujah. You're going to pray a prayer.